Hey guys, what's up? Paul from Tastes So Good, and today I'm taking you to one of my favorite cafes in all of South Korea. It offers amazing views of the beautiful sunset in Seoul, and best of all, it is dog friendly. So my little man right here is gonna go with me. We're gonna go check it out. But before we do that, I wanna give a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video. So this video is sponsored by the 8th GTI Expo, the Global Trade and Investment Expo, which is happening in Gangwon-Do. So let me tell you a little bit about it, guys. So it is 2020. It is a crazy year, right? But you might want to learn about some investments and some different products here in Korea. And now you can do it all safely from the comfort of your home or on your cell phone or wherever you may be. So GTI is happening online from October 15th through the 18th. And I will link all of their information down in the description box below. So be sure to check it out. And to go with that, guys, they have some huge events happening, including a regram event on their Instagram. Also a photo review, unboxing, that regram event, and if you spend more than 100,000 won, then you might win some huge prizes. So it's a really cool opportunity. It's something you guys need to check out. And I even got a few gifts from some of the people from over there. So let me just show you really quickly. This Dr. Sue Colloidal Silver. So if you're anything like me, you're trying to keep your hands absolutely clean when you're outside in public. I'm always riding the bus and I'm out in public, so I always have a hand sanitizer with me when I'm wearing my mask and everything. And this is just something else that can help you with this. So it's like antibacterial and it's easy to transport. And best of all, it doesn't have that really alcohol smell. I feel like I'm always walking around smelling like a bottle of soju because I'm constantly using hand sanitizer, right? All right, I've also got some skincare. So this is from Semina, and it's two different type of skincare products. So one is Manuka Honey Serum, and the other is the Cool Pep Serum. So I don't know, I'm not a huge expert on skincare. I'm not gonna pretend like I am. Yeah, I'm gonna test these out though. I have a pretty limited skincare routine. It's not a huge process, but I'm gonna add this onto my skincare routine for the next month or so. So if you wanna know how it works and what I think about it, then go ahead and maybe check me out on Instagram, and I will post an update in a few weeks to let you know what I think about it. If nothing else, it's a really cool bottle. All right, and finally, I'm really excited for this. So this is from 청태산 Farm. So this is a 나물밥쉽게만들기. So it's ready to cook. So this is like some seasonings and some different herbs. And so what you can do is just put this in a pot when you're cooking your rice, and it really flavors the rice up really nicely. You can also make a doenjang-guk with it, a doenjang soup. So use this with some different broths, things like that. I haven't tested it out yet, but I'm going to. So again, if you want to see what I think about this, then go ahead and add me on Instagram. And shortly I will test all these things out and let you know more details about it and let you know how this tastes, because I'm not the best chef in the world. So something that's easy and convenient and yummy ticks all the boxes for me. So I'm really excited to try that out. So thank you to all of these great companies for sending over these products. I really appreciate it. But I'm also super excited to try out this. So this little box has something that's really important to me. So this is from Havie and Revo. This is a multicolor harness. So just look at this, guys. This looks super luxurious, right? Comes with this nice paper here. So I'm gonna be able to take my dog for a walk with this, but it is made of Italian vegetable leather and is cruelty free. And it just has this really cool design to it. I really like these buckles. So the best way to test it is not see if I like it, because it doesn't really matter what I think. It's all about this little one right here. So we're gonna go for a little bit of a walk. I'm taking you with me. We're gonna check out a great sunset here in Yongsan-gu, Seoul. And we're gonna test out this harness. So what do you think? You ready? Yeah, I think you are. All right, let's head out. All right, so to test out this product, I've enlisted the help of my little helper here. This is Indy, say hi. So this is my little boy here. So we've come to one of my favorite cafes in all of Seoul. It has this amazing view of Seoul with this beautiful sunset. So he's rocking his Havie and Revo multicolored harness collar here. And I tell you, he seems to like it a lot. So this is kind of a luxury type of product, and I try to give my boy only the best food, best care. So I try to always make sure he's safe, and there are things that they say that is designed for their safety. That to me is most important. I've actually had him slip out of harnesses before, and it's a really scary moment. So this harness not only is fashionable, it's got all these different colors, and it looks good on him, right? So I really like these gold buckles. Not only do they look good, but they're easy to also just snap on. So this comes really well packaged. So you can tell this is quality. It just feels quality, and it's easy to put on. So it's the perfect size for a smaller dog. So just over the head, and then it's gonna put his little feetsies through here. So now it is clicked in. It's safe, it's secure, it looks good, and you can tell it's not too tight. It's the perfect fit for him. This nice Italian vegetable leather. And then it's got the different parts around his neck here, and then lower down in his body, so there's no stress on his neck, which is really important as he's a senior dog. He is 10 years old, even though he's so handsome, right? But you can see it's got the green, the brown, the red, and the accents of the bronze. So it's really cute. And what also is great about this is that it is vegan Italian leather, so no animals were killed. It's cruelty-free, which is also really important to me. I think I'm trying to, along with many of us, be a little bit more conscientious of what we're doing in the environment and things like that. So it's good to see that this company is also really concerned about that. Everything is also recycled and non-toxic. So you know you're giving your dog only the best, and that's super important to me. But what also is most important to me is his comfort, and he looks really comfortable. He seems safe, secure, and handsome, right? So that's most important. So he seems really comfortable. He doesn't seem restricted at all. So I think we're having a good time here with our Havie and Revo multicolored harness here. But tell me, isn't he just a stunning little handsome man with his cute little leash here? Hi. All right, so I want to say a big thank you to the sponsors of this video. Thank you so much. Guys, definitely go check out this GTI Fair. It's going to be amazing. All the links can be down in the description box below, as well as the other products that were mentioned, including the Havie and Revo multicolored harness here. It'll be down in the description box below, so you definitely want to check it out. I think Indie Bear here wants you to check it out as well. All right, guys, till next time, have a great day. I'll see you later. Bye.
이제 박람회도 언택트 시대. GTI 국제무역투자박람회가 여러분을 찾아갑니다. 3D 가상 공간에서 펼쳐지는 특별한 전시 공간, 안전하고 편안하게 즐기는 온라인 쇼핑몰, 수출 상담과 계약은 온라인 화상 시스템. 여기에 이벤트 참여로 1억 원 상당의 경품까지. 검색창에 온라인 GTI를 검색하세요.